Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we're gonna be doing a little day in the life vlog. Now guys, I don't know if y'all heard, a special thanks to everybody who has subscribed. So the last video that I posted, which was my birthday celebration vlog, guys, listen, y'all came out in the subscription. Like, I was so amazed at how many persons subscribed, and thank you guys for joining the family. I'm gonna be going to work. I was getting ready this morning, but guys, I don't know if y'all are keeping up with the news, but there is a storm that's supposed to come, and let's just say everybody's in panic mode right now because, guys, I tried to do my pickup, my grocery order, place it for pickup today. Tell me why the whole store is empty. So now I'm going to work, and then I'm gonna probably pick up back the camera and show you guys what's probably left in the store. I'll probably go to Aldi or Walmart depending on what I can find. Now, I really don't like this chaotic storm, last minute panic, because everybody gonna buy tissue and everybody gonna buy bread, and it just, the store is just empty. I've been seeing pictures because there is expected supposed to be like 16 inches of snow this weekend. Now, we don't actually know if it's really gonna storm or not because I feel like it changes every day. So with that being said, I just want to be prepared because it's baby girl and I here, and I don't want the storm to come and we don't have anything prepared. We don't know how bad the storm is going to be. So with that being said, let's see if we can find anything in the store later. So I'm getting ready for work, and guys, listen, something that I should show you guys that has become a part of my regular outfit of the day. So look at this right here. So this watch was sent to me by Fany, and this is the Fany Luna Smartwatch. It's a classic. Oh, before I even put it on my hand, let me show y'all. This right here is my Fany Luna Smartwatch. This doesn't look like a sports watch or anything. Like, I can dress this up really nice. I love that my Fany Watch focuses on women's health because it allows you to track your sleep, your stress level, your emotions, and even your menstrual cycle. Now guys, I can wear this while going on the road or even while getting my exercise in. I can use this to do my everyday fitness workout routines, and it is so lightweight, guys. You barely feel it on your hand, and it does come in 4 different colors, and it is perfect for your all-day wear. With the 4 different colors that you can choose from, you got a lovely option, and it has a long-lasting battery that one charge can last you up to 7 days, and I get all my notifications and even check the weather. Now, with it being snowing outside, I decided to get my steps in by doing some shoveling. And guys, listen, my watch helped me to track all my movements, and Valentine's Day is coming up, so right now is the perfect time to get you a Fany watch. So click on the link down below to purchase, and I guarantee you will love it.
Can I play at the park?
What park? When it's this cold?
Sorry. I literally forgot it was tonight.
Yeah, and it's too cold. You can't be going to no park.
Yeah, I literally thought it was the morning.
The morning? Did you pick up the marker, Nevaeh?
No, I'm gonna do it now.
Okay. Alright guys, so it's later in the day, and just came from...
You said later in the day.
No, sorry, I meant later in the day.
Yeah, cause you didn't say later in the day.
I tried to order stuff online and I couldn't, so I'm now gonna stop at Aldi, and we are gonna see if we can get the stuff in Aldi. If I can't get the stuff in Aldi, then I have to go to Food Lion or Walmart. Hopefully I don't have to do all of that. I don't know, is it like this where you guys are? So everybody's so frantic trying to find stuff?
It's me, Nevaeh. It's my mommy.
Yes, my nuggy wuggy. I don't know.
My mom's my favorite, and she's pretty.
Oh, you are. You zapped me.
No, I just zapped you. You zapped me.
Okay, cover the marker.
Because my lips are wet.
Okay.
Your cheek is sharp.
Oh, come here. I hear in your eye. Hold on.
Yeah, I feel what it. That was my head.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it all.
Alright, let's go into the store now, baby. This is the one thing I haven't gotten used to here in Baltimore, is that you gotta bring your bags everywhere. So it's not like over in the other county where you get a bag when you go to the store. you gotta be prepared. So I make sure I keep bags. Your glove, I don't have your gloves, baby. Look in the look in your bag. Did you push your gloves in your bag? Okay, how much bags do I need? Well, let me be a party pooper, but I gotta go. Come on, baby, let's go. Nevi, come on, out the car, let's go.
You didn't say the word would make it funny, Labrador.
Rapidos. Nevi likes when I say rapidos. Come on.
Can I hold the camera?
I'll hold it because I don't want you to drop it.
I won't.
When we get inside, you will. Not right now, please. Come here, come here.
What would you
This scarf is on the ground. That's what I'm calling you about.
I'm sorry, Mommy.
It's okay. Quick update. We are back in the car. I did a quick U-turn. As soon as I went into Aldi, I forgot that Aldi doesn't carry the same brands of stuff that I'm used to from Food Line or Walmart. I'm not in the mood to be trying new stuff right now. Like right now, I need my go-to classics that I'm used to, I'm familiar with. I know exactly what I'm getting, so it will be a quicker trip. Mind you, hold on, baby, I'm talking.
I just gotta tell you something.
Yes,
you
baby?
told me to try stuff, but you to try nothing.
Yeah, I know, but guess what happened, Nevea? Everybody is in panic mode right now because they're trying to buy up stuff from the stores. So now is not the time to be going and dilly-dallying around the store. Like right now, Nevi, what we need to do is we need to go into the store with a game plan, know exactly, I was saying, we need to go into the store, know exactly where we're going, grab what we're getting, and get out of there. Because everybody is panic buying and they are clearing out the stores. Like, they ain't leaving nothing. Because a storm is coming this weekend, baby. So everybody is buying up. What? A storm, we won't be able to drive and meet up.
It will be safe.
Yeah.
Actually, it is going to be storm.
I think there's going to be a storm?
Yeah. Because you know how I knew that?
How?
Because my teacher. Up there, Mommy.
Up there? Okay, so we're in the store. It's so packed. I'm trying this one. This is what you want? No. This was such a quick supermarket trip. Let me tell you, this store was packed. I was in and out. Oh my gosh, I need to put on my other glove. Like, guys, when I tell you it is so cold outside right now, like, it is too cold for me. I am not okay with this weather, okay? This weather is it's 20 something and it feels like 15, and I'm not okay. Like, I'm just not. Like, I'm right now, I'm like, give me back spring, give me back summer. Guys, I'm not prepared for this. I have not experienced a blizzard since I've been here in the States. Thanks be to God, I don't want to experience one, okay? Like, it's not everything I need to know what it feels like, okay? Some things can miss me, like, honestly, and I'm okay with missing things. Like, this is one of them. I don't need to experience no locked in for a couple days, can't go outside. Like, let me just watch it on the news and hear about like it happened in the past, and I'll be like, oh my, like, I want to be one of those that can tell the tale of, oh my god, blizzard in 2026, we were no, miss me on that, okay? I'm on my way home and I was like, you know what, let me pick up the camera. Mind you, I'm gonna just like level with y'all for a second. I have not been feeling like I want to vlog the past week or two, and it's really gotten me down. Like, I know it comes with content creation, but this is what I tell people. You see, when you put like your whole life on camera and like yourself, it's like you get a sense of, how would I say, like, content creators, we are in a very, very vulnerable position when we come online. It's so hard to not take what people say and like it really hurt your feelings. Like, even if it's coming from a good place, it can still hurt, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna tell you the honest truth, like, somebody commented something and it was just like, oh, that stings. Like, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have a lot going on, but I'm still trying to show up. And then it had me thinking, I'm like, should I like take a break from this, like, okay, seeing that I couldn't juggle, like, you know, dating and school, and I decided, you know what, I'm choosing school. So one of the things, so what the person said on the comment is like, you know, they don't want to see no more car videos, the exact words, and I don't know if, and I don't know if I can find the comment right now, but that's why I'm not like getting more subscribers, because people don't want to watch that. And guys, I don't know where to really, when I tell you, it really hurt my feelings, because I'm like, I think I had come online and I had expressed to you guys that, listen, I am sharing a space with family members and all, and it's not my own personal space, so I'm not able to do like my vlogs as I used to, like every single day I get up, like, you know, doing this and that. Like, I will try to vlog here and there in the space, but also, guys, just think about this. Every single week on a Friday I have to drive, and like, I want to say about 40 minutes to an hour, drop off Nevea, drive that same time, go back. So I spend like 2 hours just to drop off Nevea on a Friday. Monday morning at the crack of dawn, I am up doing the same thing. 2 hours. Like, by the time I reach to work, my car always notify me like, hey, you've been driving for 2 hours. So that's like my little peace and quiet time that I, you know, I get to like really vlog. Y'all know I do a 9 to 5. I work during the week, right? So I don't have that time to say, okay, I can vlog. And the reality is that, like, before, guys, when I lived at the previous house, I lived way closer to work, and most days I was able to leave work like by a reasonable time early. I could still like go do 1 and 2 things. Plus, right now as it is, it's winter time, guys, and by the time I leave work, it's dark. Like, I'm like, what can I really go home and go vlog at this specific time? Like, it's dark, it's night by the time I reach home, and then it's cold outside, guys. I am not one of those people that enjoy the cold. Like, I don't like leaving my house. Like, if I had my own house right now, you guys would probably be getting a lot of videos of like things around the house that I'm doing, but I don't have that right now, and I still want to try to show up for you guys, but at the same time, I'm like, if y'all ain't enjoying them, like, why should I like really continue? Like, at this point I'm really thinking, like, should I stop YouTube for some time? Because before, like how you guys were used to videos on the weekend would have been my time, right? Guys, my weekend is school. Like, I don't have no other time to do schoolwork other than in the night when I get home, or the weekends. That is literally all my weekend is entailed off. Like, I literally come Saturday, Sunday, I woke up at like, Saturday I think I slept till 12 o'clock because I was exhausted, and I wake up, I sat at the table, ate food, work on my assignments for the whole entire day, and I did not leave the table until 1 o'clock the next morning. Like, that was my Saturday. Sunday, same exact thing. I woke up at 10 o'clock, and what did I do? I did not leave. The only time I get up from the table is to go put food in my body, and most times I'm sitting at the table working, and I will sit at that table until I'm close to passing out. Like, that's just the honest truth. Like, I will be like, yeah, I soon go get, but it's like sometimes when I'm in a, like, you know, you're in a flow state that like the work is just clicking, like it's just, the words are just flowing. Like, I don't want to stop, because once I stop, I get distracted and it's hard to get back in. So like, once I lock in, and I just zone out everything, and then it gets to the point that like I'm getting up and I'm like dizzy, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like I'm gonna fall, I need to eat something. So that was my Sunday. And then I think, did I go anywhere? I did not go anywhere. The only time I went somewhere was that I went to pick up grocery. And what I'm doing right now, I'm not even going in the store, guys. I am literally doing, if I don't do curbside pickup, I have it delivered to the house. And speaking of which, I was thinking of getting a Walmart membership, because someone was telling me that like I can get a discount as a student. So I need to look in that, because every time I pay for a Walmart delivery, I'm like, this is a membership added up right there. I could have easily paid for the membership with how much I pay for delivery to the house. So I'm just giving y'all an idea of like what my day looks like. So to be honest, I can't even vlog that, because who wants to see me sitting down at a table the whole entire day working on schoolwork? Like, it's just not that much going on. Like, when I have things going on, I will try to vlog. And to be honest, my life is very boring and mundane right now. It is literally work, school, home. The only time you will see me doing stuff other than like my usual things is maybe like a holiday. Like during the holiday season, I had a little break from school and I tried to vlog as much. I tried to vlog as much as I can. Like, look at me guys, right now I'm literally hanging on by a thread. I look like what I'm going through, okay? Like, you see this here that's on my head? It won't do. You guys remember from when I sewed this here? I sewed this here before Thanksgiving. Now it's January, we're on to February guys. How much months that this in my head? Yes, I wash my hair, so thank God my hair no smell moldy. But any look at energy I have right now, I'm just trying to take care of myself and to take care of Nevea. I am under so much pressure when it comes to schoolwork, because at this time I'm really rethinking, did I make a smart decision saying that I wanted the 2 majors? Because I'm starting to lose my edges. Like, I'm really losing my edges. Like, the work is a lot guys. It is so much. Like, I don't know, I'm just like, hang in there Jordan, hang in there. This school is my own way out, okay? I don't have like that. My job pays okay, but it doesn't pay like that well enough that I'm like comfortable, you get what I'm saying? So my goal is to secure my education. Oops, sir, why are you so close? My goal is to secure my education so that I can get better opportunities for baby girl and I. Because I'm gonna just tell y'all, content creation does not pay me that well. It's just one of those things. So I'm like, listen, school is what I have to lock in on to give myself a better opportunity. Because as I said, I don't come from a family where I have a gold spoon. I literally have to work and provide myself better opportunities to secure myself for baby girl and I. Cover your mouth. Alright, go inside. Cover your mouth. That's why you got the scarf. It is cold. Cover your face when you go.
My baby sister!
Come.
Baby sister, you can...
Baby, get up. Never. That's the reason I give you the scarf to wear, so your mouth can stay warm. It's not a fashion piece. Okay? Come. Never you're in. I know you're not sitting at that table watching your tablet. Your backpack is here. Your lunch bag is not out of your backpack. I don't understand you. Please get on it right away.
Mom, look, I actually have some candy.
No more candy. Your teeth gonna rot out to your mouth.
Where's my goldfish?
That's enough candy for the day.
Oh, can I use my goldfish?
Why is your lunch bag wet? Who gave you goldfish?
My Joe.
Miss Shun gave you?
How come my pocket wet?
Oh no, it's not wet. It's just cold. Okay, go put your lunch bag where it's supposed to go, please.
Can I eat my goldfish?
Yes, baby. Don't eat too much. You have dinner. Okay, guys. Every evening I have to check Nevea homework stuff. But I'm coming, baby. I'll come. Bring it. Come.
I said I thought I'm settling for helping.
Nevea, I don't want you using scissors. Please let me assist you. Yeah.
Some paper. Yeah. And I could cut my food and it would be yucky. But scissors are so dirty. Right, Mommy?
Yeah.
They're more the dirtiest thing in the whole entire world.
No, I didn't say that. I came home to an Amazon package. So what's funny, I actually ordered this from in December and it just got delivered.
Oh, is it toy for me?
Excuse me?
I just asked.
No, what did you say?
I asked, is it a toy for me?
Hold on.
Is it for me? Mom, is that...
I don't know. I guess we'll find out when I open it.
Look, I got all of the collectors I have.
You brought all of your collection?
Yeah. My whole collection.
Open it already.
I really want to.
Go ahead.
Cause you're not. Oh, dang! You gotta touch it.
So I got her Princess Tiana. I don't know why it took so long to come. And my birthday gift hasn't even come as yet. Cause hold on. Is this one here? Okay, so where you put in the mark?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
triangles.
I think I noticed.
Can you know how to do it?
I love you. We are besties.
Okay, so it says draw one large. I'm just tired, guys. It's 7:20 and I need to get Neve in bed by 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna wash up the dishes. I just took the trash out because I need to remember it's trash day, because we can't forget trash day on here. Oh, Naya! So Nevi says she wanna work out. Remember, take your time, baby. Take your time. Yes, you got muscles. I should be down here working out and recording something. Never yet take it over. Never yet take it over. Well, she gotta get muscles. Get what muscles? Get what muscles, girl?
I want to get man muscles.
You wanna get muscles?
I want to get man muscles.
Man muscles?
Yeah.
A female can have muscles too. Okay, but you don't want to get too tough, okay?
I just want to get muscles.
Alright. Hello, hello, hello. Hello.
I like you now.
I'm gonna show y'all what outside looking like. Hold on, Nevi, come look. So I went to the store yesterday. Hold on, Grandma. I'm gonna show what outside look like. Nevi, come. Come, we gotta get your coat and put on your snow boot.
Good, Mrs. Mayor, make that dig up it and drop out there.
No, we're not. She have her snow stuff to go out there, but we not go out there fully yet. Not now, Nevi. When the snow finish. Hold on, Grandma. Nevi,
Can we just do it?
I'm gonna show you. Uncle is outside. Just put your thing on and stuff. Guys, let me show. I've never seen this much snow since I've been here. Nevi, wait. Let's see. So Uncle, hold on. Uncle is here.
I'm so cold.
Hold on. Go. I'll let you see. Stop right here. Don't go no further. Stay right here.
Can we play?
Hey, Uncle.
Can we play?
Not right now. Not right now.
No.
I'm not coming outside, no, Uncle.
I'm playing.
Stay here. Stay here.
Oh.
Eh? Okay, okay. Yeah, alright. Uncle say you can come out. I'm gonna put on your winter stuff. Come. Look, you see? Oh, probably too much snow. Too much.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yes, Nevi.
Be careful. Don't get bored.
Oh, wow. Stand right here, Nevi. Stand right here.
We can probably build a snowman. You want to build a snowman? Alright, I'm putting it right over here. You can just play in the snow. Stay on the pavement, okay? I didn't think it. I had some over here. So I had like about 8 inches up where we are.
Oh, how much you think?
Huh?
How much snow you think?
Listen, it was up to here, so that's about 12 inches. Yeah. But I don't know if it's because them plow it and push it over.
Just stop. It's not working.
Was that working? Oh, guys, I've never seen this amount of snow since I've been here. This is really bad. Look at the roads. Like, this is what the road. Nevi, stay away when cars are passing, okay? Guys, this is what the roads are looking like. Can't tell the difference between the road. Can't tell the difference between the road from the sidewalk. I feel like a news reporter coming to you live from J Sparkle's channel. Oh, it's too cold, guys. Stay inside. Stay. Okay, don't go, Nevi. Don't go in the road. Come. Yeah. If you don't need to come outside, guys, stay inside. It's blistering out here. Alright, guys, that's about it. I'm taking myself inside as soon as we're done. It's too cold.
Yeah, that's mine.
Is this what
Good job, Nevi.
I'm doing it.
You're doing it. You're doing it. Nevi, don't use your hand. Alright, guys. So this is day 3 of being stuck at home because of the snowstorm.
If I have to
So-
use a second marker, I'll just use a different color.
Okay,
Do you
I
have
don't
any
know.
more different colors?
You can use your highlighter. So
Where is it?
I don't know where your highlight is. So Nevi's school has been closed they've been no baby, come finish your schoolwork please. So Nevi's school been closed, but they've had virtual learning Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I've been off. Yes baby, but I'm still trying to do some schoolwork, and I've been trying to keep up with, you know, my day-to-day work. So yeah, snowstorm has us locked in.
Remember what a diamond looks like? How do you remember what a
So
diamond looks like?
Nevi's teacher is teaching
It's
via
so
Zoom.
pretty.
Yes baby, I love it. That's beautiful baby.
I don't want to. This time I'm going to use the purple again.
Okay, mommy's going back to do her stuff.
Purple.
Alright guys.